For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. Bullish Polygon, Matic, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $4.16 and $9.07 by 2030. Market experts accept Matic could reach $4.16 by 2025. Bearish Polygon market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.740041. Polygon, Matic Introduction. Polygon is intended to be a scaling answer for the complex idea of blockchain networks. It means to bind together and smooth out the procedure on blockchain networks, permitting them to work all the while, work on the speed and decrease time and expenses. The outrageous measure of traffic and blockage on the activities of Ethereum have driven its decentralized application framework to turn out to be for all intents and purposes unusable, with low throughput and specialized misfires, which is what Polygon expects to address. Since its end-off, Polygon has drawn in 130 million clients, facilitated 3.4 billion exchanges, and aided the advancement of 20,000 applications. In this aid, we present Polygon's functions and elements, give its cost forecasts in view of specialized and essential examination, and investigate whether it is a beneficial speculation. What is Polygon, Matic? To forestall the stopping up of Ethereum's decentralized application frameworks and the increasing expenses related with said clog, Polygon is a Layer 2 organization that doesn't change Ethereum's blockchain in any capacity and, as a matter of fact, works at the same time as a layer. It works with various organizations and has many purposes, subsequently the name Polygon a disentanglement system for the complex Ethereum blockchain. It tackles and forestalls the blockages prone to happen on the Ethereum blockchain given the information traffic and is additionally furnished with better security frameworks. Matic is the unit of installment between members who utilize the Polygon organization, a marking it held as the computerized coin of the organization. Polygon, Matic Technical Analysis. The Product Improvement Unit (SDK) of Polygon is intended to construct sidechains that can work in contact with the fundamental Ethereum blockchain. The primary chain that Polygon works on is a proof-of-stake (POS) sidechain, where network clients can decide on redesigns and stake Matic tokens. The sidechains utilize versatility techniques, which are plasma chains, which meld exchanges into blocks and afterward gather them into a solitary accommodation on the Ethereum blockchain. Optimistic rollups, which can scale Ethereum-savvy contracts ZK rollups which join different exchanges into a solitary exchange. Polygon, Matic Fundamental Analysis. Polygon was planned with explicit elements to battle specific issues with the Ethereum blockchain, becoming abrogated with information to make the exchanges less expensive and quicker. The sidechains are finished on the Ethereum main chain, while the tasks happen independently, at the same time, and are collectivized into the primary chain. The public sidechain is viable with various conventions. The highlights empower multi-chain exchanges at a lower cost, taking less time, and empowering more clients on the organization to profit from a consistent UI. To act as scaling arrangements, Polygon has presented 4 plans. Right off the bat, Polygon POS, which recoveries costs, speeds up in its job as a Layer 2 arrangement. The Polygon Hermes scaling arrangement gives clients the choice to include their own elements, their own sidechain, which they can then absorb with a bigger blockchain. This is an incredible choice for clients needing to turn out to be more involved with their tasks. Finally, Polygon Nightfall is intended to bring down the think twice about protection and security on blockchains and centers, essentially around this area of exchange arrangements. It doesn't stop there with the improvement of Polygon, as other scaling arrangements are in progress. Polygon Zero is an alternate scaling arrangement from other zero information scaling arrangements and has every one of the fundamental highlights of a Layer 2 arrangement. Polygon Avail focuses off-chains and independent chains, while Polygon Mid-N is another layer 2 scaling arrangement that utilizes the creating field of zero information to join huge number of exchanges and lessening information traffic along the ETH chain. Polygon, Matic, Price Prediction 2022. Polygon, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Matic. The Matic cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $1.39. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.30 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Matic is supposed to have a base worth of $1.11. Polygon, Matic, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Polygon Matic cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Matic will before long outperform $2.31. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Matic's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Matic will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.85 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.04. Polygon, Matic, Price Prediction 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.24 and Matic might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Matic is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.96 and a low of $2.78 in 2024. Polygon, Matic, Price Prediction 2025. Assuming Polygon effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the Matic coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Matic will be green in 2025. The Matic is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.16, with a base cost of $3.70 and a typical cost of $3.89. Polygon, Matic, Price Prediction 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauged the Matic cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.81 by 2026, with a base cost of $4.63 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Matic has a greatest value worth of $5.09. Polygon, Matic, Price Prediction 2027. Because representing things to come organization